Hi, my name is Priyatham. I'm the highest rated and one of the highest earnings full stack developer on Upwork.com, the largest freelancing platform in the world. For any software development services that you need, I'm here to help you. Let me tell you exactly why. I'm the top rated plus full stack developer on Upwork, which represents top 3% of freelancers in the world. Since 2023, I've earned over $150,000, completed over 18 jobs, and worked over 4,000 hours. Client experience is my number one priority, and that's reflected in numerous 5-star reviews on my profile. This is core to my work as a freelancer, and I take great pride in over delivering. I worked with top tech companies and startups in my career, such as Embarcadero Technologies, AWS, Loancater, and others. I've worked extensively with Python web frameworks like Django, Flask, and fastapi, and also with JavaScript front-end frameworks like React and Next.js and HTMX2. I have also worked in providing full software development lifecycle solutions, including database design, API development and integration, consume APIs from front-end, unit integration and end-to-end testing, CI/CD setup and deployment too. I can deploy to any cloud platform of your choice using Docker files that include AWS, GCP, Azure, DigitalOcean, and Heroku, to name a few. I also started an agency account on Upwork named Epic Codebase, where I teamed up with my brother Lucas, who's also an extremely talented and top-rated plus full stack developer on Upwork. You can check more about us at epiccodebase.com. Please check my individual and agency portfolio and GitHub accounts too, which are linked in the video description to know more about us and our personal projects that showcase our expertise over the mentioned skill set. We are going to start a YouTube channel soon to share our insights and software development and explain building some real-world projects. I would love to hear more about your project and most importantly how I can help you. Contact me today so that I can help you and we can schedule a quick introduction call to ensure that I will be a perfect fit for you. Thank you so much for checking out my profile and I look forward to meeting you. I hope you have an amazing day.